doesn't business. I earn money. Hey, the boss knows how to make a thing go viral, boy. You need the 500 singles, boy. Yes, boy. Yes, boy.
You fucking see it there, right?
You go jihad, me on sharper than samurai.
The cameraman stop recording, yeah? Mora, I can't wait, Mutti, right? Mutti! Hello, is it me you're looking for?
Nothing gets between me and my AK.
Conscious no pretty fly. Looking at look at them, no moving. None of them boy don't bother that we see me fuck them, telling that the car back seat.
Record anything you want to record.
Huh?
Record all that you want to record.
Daily life with MOUTTXT or there.
Record all that you want to record. All that you want to record, you record.
Talk to them, how we feeling today?
I doesn't business. I earn money.
Energy. Give me a 15 right to my full life. I take for the crime with the plan, cause she drugs not weird. I'm not attack with a foot. Wanna bunny, tell her for me. The clip I see through like panoramic. Oh, you're wrong, got through it, head not the ball.
I know it. But you get. I have some singles and things here, but not all that.
How many?
Must invest like 100.
No, I need 500.
But then you gotta go and change that back.
No, you can get it in singles.
Why you gotta go to singles and go and change that?
No, you're getting 500 in singles and 2,000 in blue. That is for the video, boy.
Well, alright, I know you go get on now.
Hey, the boss knows how to make a thing go viral, boy. You need the 500 singles, boy.
So, yeah.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Yes.
When you have what to do out there, let's make sure I get it. Get anything on the outside now.
See what it is.
Yeah, by substation still there.
Chucker, you go.
Yeah, let's make sure I get the thing on the outside. The standards, that's not now. You think?
Sorry.
Go to the eye with it.
Ever hear Rush? Ever hear Rush?
Nah,
You have no hair brush in your yard?
nah, boy.
You don't know how to brush?
You fucking see it there, right?
Wait, boy, dog, boy. Alright now, boy.
Oh, yeah, it's this side outside it. Yeah, that side of the standards, that side of the main thing now, boy.
Yeah, some must get the sign for you. How they gonna know we coming from the highway and they don't know which part of the highway is?
Yeah.
I must get the sign here, that right shutter.
Yeah,
You
man.
know, people know like it's the shops that are mad, very big for them.
I can't talk too much. I can't talk too much. I just had to show them the keys. I can just talk the key points if you want.
If you want to take it outside for like shops that are mad.
If you want, he could be like Mutti where he is. We in Santa Rosa.
Mutti, where you going?
Santa Rosa Heights Arima. And that's all I'm saying. And then as I say that, he jumping on the car. We in Santa Rosa Heights Arima. I know passing Train City more or less, so let me say about 15 minutes now.
You go jihad, make them county binds them. Ugly like say mountain style. On sharper than samurai. Chop mill, never like crocodile. Let the bite. Their boy face, make a bite.
Hey, man, hey.
Conscious no pretty fly. Looking at look at the people.
We ain't rain, hold it up. Don't fuck it up too much. Alright, serious, brother. Don't fuck it up too much. see when
The cameraman stop recording, yes?
you see when big man start to fucking mad out. I tell him hold it on, man.
No phone, no half talking, a bad man player, sweet madman player, killer make we up. So girl fat pussy stiff, she can't tell me if it paid that money, big dream, near man done his way. Up there, so do a made full of rifle, pussy you will get a one blade, tell a boy, me no know afraid, could a sword blade full of killer, yo, chica trick him with a low fear, lucky 20 and 4 shot, that's for the bed, make me fuck on the ground, my fans, before the gorillas are free on time, one man see, so she want lobsters, in a boy face, make a bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright. What's the name of this sign? Santa Rosa Heights Arima?
Yeah,
Santa Rosa Heights Arima. Just say that, right?
yeah.
Santa Rosa Heights. Yeah. Santa Rosa Heights Arima.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? He don't want to get wet, so I'll do the part in the car and then we will come and do the driving last.
But what driving is that we had to do?
As I finish talking, right?
Right.
I was going to drive. While I'm driving here, you recorded me. And I saying, you saying, Muti, where we is? And I gonna be like, in Santa Rosa Heights Arima.
So
That's all.
Okay, so you gotta catch that out.
Hold on, yeah, we gonna catch on all this.
What you ain't going?
Santa Rosa Heights Arima.
So you looking good there?
I'm to you. I'm fucking like bosses right now.
Oh, we going back and do the shoot. We going back and do the shot, you know.
Now we're gonna do the next shot.
We doing the pieces yet? No.
Yeah, no problem. I ask you come behind you. Going away. No, they know me. Excited.
Black cam, huh?
Mora, I can't wait, Muti. Muti! There's a fucking general by Muti, boy. There's a fucking general by Muti.
So you're going to use that, bro?
Yeah. I can do this on the fire. Tell me when.
Yeah.
Big smiles today, boy. There's enough here?
That's not enough.
There's not enough there?
Not enough, more than that. This
That is enough there now, right? Thanks so much. Only at Big City Tech, you can come down, pay your money, and get a brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Right up on the bed.
We go do a little unboxing.
Yeah, they do the unboxing one time. Yeah, one time.
I have a little, better we do the thing about that table, that kind of Christmas.
Let go, bring the money across.
So,
I'm ready to unbox my brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Well, let's see what it is going on there. Brand new, never touched before. You know what is going on with them kind of thing. Just now, come in. Big City Tech. Shut up. They finally is. Come back. Wait for the hello sign. Come. Now. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I could see it in your eyes. I could see it from your smile. I have my main SIM card in this, has to go in that.
what are you saying?
Yes, eSIM, right.
So, I'm going to tell you why.
Right, well, here we're going on. Right, I take out the SIM card in that, right? Now this has a month plan and it's the month that has to go on to that. Alright, so better put on the hotspots and just hook up that time.